Hello and welcome to Harriet Muller Art Channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. Today we're going to be drawing a super easy turtle. So find yourself anything circular. I've got a glass here. Put it in the centre of your page and get yourself a pen or a pencil and draw around it. If this is your first time drawing in a while, well done and congratulations on coming back to drawing. Hope you enjoy it. There's a series of 8 different videos on how to draw animals just using a circle. So there's the first part, that's going to be the shell. Next, draw a 5-sided shape in the center of the circle. So just put your pentagon there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Then draw some lines coming out from each of the corners. Just like that. Then we're going to draw the head at the top. So draw a shape just like that. We're going to draw some little arms coming out here. And then another one on this side. Then the legs down here. And then another shape. Similar, just down there, and then the little tail. And last but not least, draw some oval shapes at the top. These are going to be the eyes. Oops, try and make them the same size. And then another oval shape inside. And then a little circle as well. Now we're going to colour this in. And there's your finished turtle. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, check out the others in the series in the link just here. And I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.